The incline is almost 30 to 35 degree. Somewhere behind that we have our summit.
How are you feeling?
In this series so far, you have seen our journey of trekking till Jalota. On the first day, we walked through the snow wonderland. On the second day, and now this is the story of the summit day. Good morning everyone. Today is day 3 and 5 a.m. in the morning. We are ready to start our summit. It's quite dark and freezing cold. Wind is very chilled. But we have to do. बस इतना ही काफ़ी है यार फिंगर. You may not able to see anything because there is no light except my headlamp and those guys. From close is nothing less feeling than Everest. My fingers are getting numb while I'm shooting this. It's getting very hard to shoot. Look at there how deep is the snow. We are wearing these spikes and glitters. That's the India Hike team. Not other team except India Hike and us from this route. Sun is about to come. Today we are gaining approx 500 feet height. So we started early in the morning because once sun will be out, the snow will get very soft and it's hard to walk on this. Earlier we were planning for sunrise from summit, but believe me, there's so much rush at that time. We miss out the peace and the serenity for which we have came so far. So we cancelled that plan and we are going late. Behind me you can see the sunrise. The wind is very crisp and it's very cold. When you are walking you feel sweaty and hot, but you can't take out this because wind is just blow everything away. The incline is almost 30 to 35 degree. We have walked from that to that to that. Is knee depth snow. Walking is getting very hard because of the snow and the wind is very cold here, and we have still 3 hours to go, and somewhere behind that we have our summit. A little trick while coming, don't look ahead, you will feel tired. Some people feel the dizzy as well. Just look down how much you have covered because you will feel motivated for that. We need to go there, we'll have some rest there and then we will move. We have one tracker who is not feeling well. He got AMS, severe headache and vomiting, so Indrajit has went to help them. They need some medicine, I think, and those are the teammates which are going ahead. I'm the slowest among all. Slow and steady. Win the race. I think it's not about race. If I will complete the summit, that will be a big win for me because I am doing trekking after a very very long time. Till now I'm not facing any issue of AMS, headache or anything of that kind, but the pace is very slow. There is the Gachwan village where we were staying first day. So that's the summit and still 1 hour to go, and we have came from those trails down. We started in dark and after walking 3 hours we got the sun, and the feeling is no less than jadoo. Thank God after sun, and at this point wind is not so much. So that's the summit, As we are approaching close to summit, I'm struggling with every step. Every 5-10 minutes I need to catch my breath.
Anika ji, how are you feeling?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
Chalo.
Now all okay.
And weird part is after walking in snow from past 2 days, there is almost no snow on the top. And look at the view. It would be more better once we will reach to the summit.
As we are just few meters left for the summit, at this point everything feels so heavy. I can feel all my clothes weight, shoes weight, and the crampon, everything feels so heavy, but the view is just what you keep you pushing for more.
This is the incline now.
A beautiful and a small Shiva temple. We are almost there. Finally, I made it. Thank God. Was very slow, but finally I have done it. After coming here, doing it so much hardship, it feel like it's worth it. It feel to be alive after coming here, doing a trekking after very long and finishing it. I'm feeling very self accomplished right now. If you can see, all are Dholadhar Peak, and that's the Harkidun Valley. There is Hata Peak. There is some Rangna Valley there. If you see that one, that is Swarg Rohini. A story about that Pandava went to Swarg from that peak. That is Bandar Pooch. And behind that there is that valley is Yamunotri Valley, and behind that Bandar Pooch, the Gangotri Valley. Now we are getting down from the summit. We will go to our campsite Pukrola, where we will have lunch. To go down here, there, and somewhere there down is our Pukrola campsite. So we came from this side, and the people from the Sankri, they came from that side. And after lunch we will move to another campsite, that is Akhoti Taj. So it will take I think 5 hours down. And this is how the 5 hours become 13 minutes. After staying one night in the Akhoti Taj, now we are getting down to the Gachwan village. So that was the summit. We went yesterday there.
We came through this beautiful forest and look at this tree, a tree with money. Everyone say that hard work bring sweet success. Our success got little more sweeter when we reached to Gaichwan village. Tomorrow is Makar Sankranti and we are in the Shod Bhaiya house. Auntie is making some sweet dish called Sidku.
मतलब लोकल डिश के साथ हमारा लंच हो रहा है।
ये किस चीज का आटा है?
कुछ भाई
हाँ,
ये चावल का
का आटा। किस चीज का?
इसमें गुड़ एक बंजीर होती है उसको भूनते पहले
ओके।
फिर वो ब्लैक कलर की होती है थोड़ा में
और उसमें अच्छा, तो ये नीचे पत्ता किस चीज का है? ये उसके नींबू खट्टा नींबू। बट फिर ये सिद्धू से डिफरेंट है।
वो अलग है। भूख बढ़ रही है। दोनों बन गए। मैं बंद करके करता हूँ।
This is Sidku. We need to dip the Sidku in the ghee and have it. Shubham finished 3 bowls of this ghee. Just like that, I collected some more memories, filled my bag with more sweetness, and say goodbye to this place so that I can explore more places. I can make more memories.